The last component of the assignment is the framework. And so one of the things you need to include there is the steps you would go through as you're conducting your evaluation. And there are a number of authors that provide a series of steps, and you can choose whichever you think it's more appropriate in the context of JetBlue training program. And you can also adopt them depending on the needs of the project. Suppose the back has in chapter 2 a section beginning on page 27 about the steps in preparing to conduct an evaluation, and Dow, the overview chapter, has all the steps that they recommend in this case, and Herman in chapters 3 and 4 has this, chapter 3 in particular has the steps for conducting a formative evaluation, and chapter 4 has the steps for conducting a summative evaluation. The other thing is you need to use the levels of Kirkpatrick and Kirkpatrick, and they are discussed in chapter 3. And so the levels are first reaction, and then learning, behavior, and results. And so when you provide that step in which you are ready to talk about what you will evaluate, you can use a table such as this one and include what you will evaluate for reaction, what you will evaluate for learning, what will be evaluated for behavior, and then results, and include information about how it will be evaluated, when it should be evaluated, who will they collect data from, and how will they know that the training is successful. Now remember that this assignment is your very first stab at evaluating a program using this model. So we're not going to be requiring a lot of detail. We really want you to get started thinking about how to evaluate using the Kirkpatrick model.